boys and girls, would you like to learn how to draw a sun and moon drawing inspired by Mexican folk art? Just watch. As National Hispanic American Heritage Month has come to a close, I wanted to do a final video tribute. And I want to give a little shout out to the various cultures that have made their contributions to our country. Shout out to those citizens whose ancestors have come from Spain, Mexico, the Caribbean, Central and South America. I wanted to do a second video on my favorite type of folk art, which is Talavera sun and moon ceramic pieces. I just love how these works of art join together with the form of sun and moon using flowers, birds, and other imagery and very bright colors. I did one a few years back. I wanted to do one on the iPad today, and I hope that you enjoy it. Many times they're featured with the moon. Sometimes they're featured by themselves. The moon is supposed to be a symbol of peace and tranquility. The Mexican tradition of Talavera Poblana originated with the Spanish migration to the Americas in the early 16th century. At that time, immigrants brought ceramics from cities like Talavera de la Reina and Valencia, which were strongly influenced by Islamic tin glaze pottery. Mexican handicrafts and folk art is a complex collection of items made with various materials and intended for utilitarian, decorative, or other purposes. Some of the items produced by hand in this country include ceramics, wall hangings, vases, furniture, textiles, and much more. In Mexico, both crafts for utilitarian purposes and folk art are collectively known as artesiana, as both have a similar history and both are a valued part of Mexico's national identity. Mexico's artesiana tradition is a blend of indigenous and European techniques and designs.